everybody. Welcome to EduTap. And today we have another topper of RBI Grade B examination with us who has recently cleared RBI examination. And let me tell you, his journey from being a clerk to the officer. Today we are going to understand in today's session in a detailed manner what were the sources did he refer to, what were the challenges he faced, and how different is preparing for RBI examination in comparison to the other banking examination. All the things we are going to understand in today's session, but for that, let me first welcome Mr. Anurag Sharma to EduTap. And sir, I welcome, and we our whole team want to congratulate you on your big win.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was because of EduTap that it made that I got into it. It made very easy for me.
Thank you. And we really try our best to provide the best service to the aspirants who can go to the institute that they desire. Okay, so we'll understand about all the sources and whatever be the strategies that you followed. But I think the aspirants would want to know that what made you prepare for RBI Grade B examination, right? So please, if you could tell about your education qualification, आपका background क्या है, and then how did you then thought of preparing for government examination, and ultimately you landed up कि नहीं यार RBI is something that I should definitely prepare for, and you prepared for it.
Actually, I graduated in 2016.
Okay.
I did my BCA from a regular college, and after that, I was working in private sector. And for 6 years, I worked there. And in COVID, luckily, I got work from my organization, so I thought of preparing for government exams because there were pay cuts and all. So I decided that I need a stable job because something happens in the future, at least I will be having a stable job. So I decided to prepare for government examination, and then I my inclination was towards banking exams only because it doesn't contain that GK like
SSC and other
एसएससी
examinations.
वाला हाँ वो जीके
Yeah.
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है
हाँ.
तो इसलिए आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स ओनली
Hmm.
and then I gave my RBI attempt in 2022 only, my first attempt.
तो मतलब आपने बाकी बैंकिंग एग्जामिनेशन के लिए मतलब आपने 2021 से स्टार्ट कर दिया था पेपर देना.
2021 से yes ma'am.
ऑलराइट.
2021 May 2021
तो
I
आपने
started.
आईबीपीएस एसबीआई या जो भी आते थे वो सारे दिए या
Yes
यो.
ma'am, सारे.
अच्छा.
Yes ma'am. And
देन
उसके
आपको
साथ साथ
आरबीआई आरबीआई आपको कैसे पता चला?
आरबीआई असिस्टेंट मुझे पता चला, आई गेव आरबीआई असिस्टेंट ऑल्सो.
ओके.
और उसमें मैं लास्ट एलपीटी के बाद आई वाज नॉट इन माई द मेरिट लिस्ट इन 2022.
ओके.
So with that, I gave RBI Grade B. I thought it is something similar to it, so I just gave it. And when I saw the level of phase one, then I thought that this is something which I want to do.
Yeah.
The difficulty level attracted me that I really want to do this.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So, like for example, and then in 2022, you cleared some of the examination, and then you joined, and along with that, you started preparing for RBI. तो
Yes,
जैसे
ma'am.
आपने बताया कि 2022 का आपको उतना serious attempt नहीं था, you just wanted to have an idea, like what sort of examination is this, and along with that, you got a job as well, right? So
Yes.
then, in that time period, when you are completely new to a certain job, and then you are started to preparing for an examination, and that too one such like RBI. तो
हाँ.
आपको कैसे मतलब आई जस्ट वांट टू नो लाइक हाउ डिड यू हैंडल्ड इट एंड लाइक हाउ थिंग्स वेंट, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था और आपने सबसे पहले टाइम कैसे निकाला?
Actually, ma'am, I started for preparing for RBI Grade B from the first day I joined my current organization. I
ओके.
joined it, and in the evening itself, I started preparing for it because I don't know what happened with me. I just wanted to do this. So I just came home from the office and just started watching the videos for phase two. I started the preparation for phase two only
Phase two.
from that day.
Right. So, okay. So now let's get more in detail about it, the sources that you refer to. So we'll start off with phase one. However, you started preparing for phase two. तो पर हम लेकिन phase one से start करते हैं. ठीक है. तो phase one में we have quant, reasoning, English, and we have general awareness. And this was something that you were actually running from, और
Yes.
इसलिए आपने banking examination की तैयारी की. And if we talk about RBI's general awareness, it's so vast, it is so random. So we'll pick up from that कि आपने फिर जनरल अवेयरनेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने अपना आपको मन कैसे बनाया कि जिस चीज के से आप भाग रहे थे एंड फाइनली यू हैव टू डू दैट? And then how did you prepare? Because there are randomly government schemes and we have finance news and what not. It's like very random and everything it comes under general awareness. How did you do that?
Actually, on financial news, I'm very interested into. So this general awareness was very different from SSC. So in SSC, you have to read medieval history and ancient and these all these things. So I am not interested in those things. So this is very interesting for me. So I for general awareness, I just watched Abhijit sir's current affairs videos because watching videos is very easy because I have to work also. And after coming from office, I have to cook myself and clean my room. So I just used to watch videos instead of getting through the notes. So I made so I watched the videos of current affairs, and for QRE, I actually made a mistake this time also because in my previous attempt I did good in QRE. So I thought that I will be able to doing it
Yeah.
this time as well. But because of lack of practice, it was very I can't say that it was very bad, but it was not good. I
Right.
panicked also in the examination hall because of the level of quant, but somehow I sailed through it. So
Yeah.
I did not prepare for QRE, but yes, for current affairs, I watched the videos and this current tab, PIB news and finance news, everything I followed and made notes.
All right. So for the like quant reasoning English, because you had your practice when you were preparing for other examination तो था, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगा इस बार भी हो जाएगा. So मतलब this time you did not like touched at all कि आप कुछ आप mock test दे के गए थे, so that at
No,
least you
no.
know you have some touch with the practice, or you can say a little bit of practice.
No, ma'am, mock test भी नहीं दिया था ये मेरी गलती है. That was my mistake because you should not do it. I was kind of overconfident or I was more inclined towards GA because that is
Fast.
difficult as per me. So
Right.
I
But एक और
focused on
इसमें
that.
aspect है. Yes, please, sir.
Yes. So I focused on that and I ignored this part. But this was a mistake.
Right. But इसमें एक और aspect ये है that you were working aspirant. So you had limited time period and that you decided to do general awareness. But now if you think of it, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि quant reasoning in English में what would have you added? Like, should you have done some specific chapters or you should have, you know, done some mock test? मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि if somebody has already some base for quant reasoning in English, if they're preparing for other banking examination, so for RBI, would only mock test would do, but or should they have to like should they focus on specific chapters that are asked in RBI? Like, what's your experience say about this?
And mostly what the doable questions are related to your calculations and one DI which is very easy. There might be uh, two, three DIs and one is easy. You have to pick the correct one. So only mock test will help you to pick the correct DI. So if you pick a different DI which was not supposed to be picked,
Yeah.
तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे.
Hmm.
So picking the right question is very important
Right. तो
in
अब
reasoning also.
तो RBI फेज वन में ऐसा होता है यू हैव सेक्शनल टाइमिंग. तो
Hmm.
कॉन्ट्स रीजनिंग इंग्लिश पहले ही आ जाता है, तो मतलब पहले ही आपको डर लग गया होगा कि ये तो कुछ
Then,
मैसअप हो गया. तो उस
hmm.
समय में एट दैट मोमेंट हाउ डिड यू had your calm, like आपने कैसे अपने आप को calm and composed रखा कि ये सेक्शन चलो हो गया जैसा होना था, now let's just focus on this. या मतलब आप ये एस्पिरेंट्स, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी गलती एस्पिरेंट्स करते हैं, like for example if they're not able to attempt any part of any section of examination, then they just lose their hope and then they even don't try to attempt what they can actually do. So on that, what can you say to the aspirants, or how did you managed it? Because आप अपना experience बताएंगे तो maybe that would help aspirants to somehow follow that line.
मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. आई गॉट पैनिक्ड इन क्वांट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. मैं एग्जामिनेशन में कभी पैनिक नहीं करता बट क्वांट मेरे से आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू डू अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन. आई वॉज नॉट able to pick also. So I also got panicked for 1 minute, but then I decided that I just have to get one DI done anyhow in this time. सो वो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, एक DI तो मैं कर ही सकता हूँ. सो आई जस्ट पिक द DI एंड वेंट विद इट. तो वो हो गई, एंड दैट मेड मी क्लियर द प्री.
Right. So, okay. And for reasoning also, did you face the same difficulty or
रीजनिंग
you?
में इजी रीजनिंग में इजी क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं, तो वो कर लेते तो थोड़ा सा कम कम
Right.
पैनिक होता कि एटलीस्ट 10-12 क्वेश्चंस तो यू हैव डन. बट
Right,
क्वांट
because
तो
उसमें
बहुत ही
number of
difficult.
questions भी ज्यादा आते हैं, so you
हाँ.
have that kind of easiness कि you can go for pick for any 10 to 12 questions. All right.
यस
So for
मैम.
quant reasoning and English, like you did not prepared much about it, and you regret, and you tell aspirants not to do that. But now talking about general awareness, तो जैसे आपने बताया कि you were not interested in वो जो theoretical static general जीके होती है, जैसे एसएसटी, वो जो एसएसटी सोशल साइंस के सब्जेक्ट होता है, हिस्ट्री पॉलिटी वगैरह. But you
हाँ.
were interested in the current whatever scenarios that are going on, and you were interested in finance news, right? And you mentioned one channel, I think Abhijit sir's channel, you
अभिजीत
said
सर,
that
यस.
you used to follow that. But जैसे ऐसा होता है कि आपकी जैसे YouTube videos है, right? Even when we make YouTube videos, then we go for very specific topics in a certain day. Like if I'm making current affair video, I'll be going for very specific topic because I have to sum up in a certain duration. But in a single day there's a lot of things that come, right? तो आपने जैसे एक चैनल बताया अभिजीत सर का, बट उसमें गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स अलग आती है, फाइनेंस अलग आती है, जीए अलग आती है, बैंकिंग न्यूज अलग आती है. तो डू यू थिंक दैट दैट इज सफिशिएंट, और आपको ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मे बी इन अ वीडियो ये पूरा सम अप नहीं हो रहा होगा जो कि एक आरबीआई एग्जामिनेशन के लिए चाहिए, या व्हाट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस से?
एक्चुअली मैम सम अप शायद ना होता हो, बट आई बिलीव्ड इन हिम, एंड उनका करंट अफेयर वो 1 आवर का पढ़ाते हैं डेली.
ओके.
So, and there are different sections. Finance news are different, government schemes are different, national news are different. So he
तो वो
cover
सिर्फ आरबीआई आरबीआई के लिए कराते
no
हैं
no
या जेनेरिक?
generic for banking exams. I used it for RBI, but I don't know anybody else are using it or not. But I used it.
हम्म.
He helps in SSC also. मतलब his current affairs helps in SSC also. So it is very vast. So
ठीक है, तो आपने वीडियोस देखी, एंड देन हाउ डिड यू यूज टू रिवाइज? आप प्रेजेंट पीपीटीज देखते थे टेलीग्राम से या कैसा?
I used to revise on 2x.
अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
ऑलराइट, सो
I
यू यूज्ड
watched
टू
videos
वॉच.
on 1.5x, and then when I used to revise, I made the playlist, and when I used to revise it, I played in 2x.
Alright, so you followed that and it actually worked for you. Alright.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
did you even give any mock test and all before the examination for general
Not
awareness
not
also?
not for phase one.
Okay, not for phase one. Okay, so for phase one was quite a little risk that you had taken.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And after
Because
the
I thought
yeah, please.
I would be able to clear it. So
Yeah,
that's
because you have cleared, like you have hands on quant reasoning and English, so you thought maybe
yes.
you could clear. But then, so after phase one, so I think you were like you must not have been satisfied with the performance, and you were very skeptical, right? Would you make it to phase two or not? So during that time period, since the result was till the result was announced, well, it's a good thing RBI jaldi result निकाल देता है.
Uh-huh.
But during that time period, did you then prepared for phase two, or you were first waiting कि नहीं एक बार result आ जाए, let me then decide that what to do next?
No, ma'am. After phase one, I was 95% sure that I'm not going to make it this year.
Okay.
Because the attempts was very less as compared to the other aspirants. So I thought that I would not be able to clear, that is for sure. But still, I came home after giving the exam and traveled 4 to 5 hours. And from night itself, I started watching the government schemes. I started reading the government scheme PDFs from schemes tab. So
Hmm.
because I thought that government scheme is the part which I can make use of in next year preparation also. Even if I'm not able to clear it this year, this will help me in next year also. So I started reading all the government schemes, and I finished in 9 to 10 days, and revised also all the government scheme was 6 months
All right.
before the result.
Yeah, so you were like, it was something like the RBI वो achieve करना ही करना है.
करना
So
ही है.
you started off with government schemes, because as we all know, and if somebody does not know, that government scheme, they play a very major role in the examination, and it hardly it changes. The data of
Hmm.
budget might change, but rest apart, the static scheme it will remain the same, guidelines remain the same. बहुत कम chances में होता है कि कुछ updates हो, तो आपने you started off with that. Okay.
Yes.
So that was for the journey for phase 1. ठीक है. And now if we talk about for phase 2, अब मैं इसमें phase 1 में मैं एक और चीज ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि like sir said, and it's a learning that you can take, right, that he did not focus much on phase 1 thinking that he would clear, right? So
Hmm.
for that, you should not do that, eh? You should be revising a lot and doing mock tests. It's good that he cleared because he had a good base before and it helped him during the this examination, but it might not be the case in case of everybody. So it's better कि आप जितना ज्यादा आप mock test दे सकते हैं आप उतना दें, and it is going to help you during the examination, and also it will give you confidence. और यहाँ पे मैं एक और एक चीज सर की ऐड करना चाहती हूँ. सर ने बोला कि बिकॉज ही वॉज 95% श्योर ही कुड नॉट क्लियर बिकॉज उनके अटेम्प्ट्स बाकियों जितने नहीं थे. दिस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर व्हाट द मेजर रोल जो सर के पक्ष में रहा, साथ में रहा, दैट उनकी एक्यूरेसी काफी अच्छी थी. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, आपकी एक्यूरेसी काफी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. And how will you get to know that your accuracy is good? By attempting more and more mock test.
Mock.
So it's actually very good to do a lot of mock test. It is going to help you to build that confidence. It is going to help you understand how to be more accurate about the answers. All right. So that was for phase 1, and now let's jump to phase 2 and between that time period. Okay, first let's talk about the moment when you saw the result and you were like, oh, phase 1 is cleared. So what was that reaction like? How did you react at that moment?
I did not reacted much because that is not the final nail.
Finally.
So this
Yeah,
one.
that's true. It's very officer like quality, just not to be happy on that small moments when you know there's a lot to go now. और सर उस moment में जब मतलब आपने phase 1, because this year you prepared a lot and especially for phase 2 you focus so
Yes.
that if you reach phase 2 it should not be messed up. So sir, when you came back and you were not certain that you'll clear phase 1, like what were the things that were running on? Because you were doing everything along with the job, like you had the stability but you wanted to have something better in life. So what were the things that were going on, like, and you must have feel, I think, bad or sad, right? So how was that? What were the things that were actually running?
I was very sad. मतलब sad तो होना ही मतलब बहुत बुरा feel हो रहा था that I messed up and I was very well prepared for the phase 2. But then I thought that ये feelings हैं और ये सोच के कुछ change तो कर नहीं सकता मैं. What I can change is that if I clear this phase 1, then I will give my best in phase 2. So I started for that
Right, so then you started preparing for phase 2.
only. तो
And
सोचने से तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला था. Did study.
yeah, that's very true. सोचने से nothing can be changed. But if you start studying, definitely next year you would have more chances. And
Yes.
that's what you did. Okay, so now let's talk about phase 2. In that we have ESI, we have FM, we have English descriptive. So we'll start off with FM because थोड़ा static component उसमें होता है finance and management का, जिसमें आपका descriptive objective दोनों आते हैं. अभी you were always preparing for banking examination. So did you find preparing for descriptive writing little bit difficult, or how did you then practice for it?
Ma'am, I started practicing for descriptive writing from February itself.
Okay.
So I used to write 2-3 questions. In starting, it was very difficult. I used to sit for 1 hour for just writing a single question.
Yeah.
So in starting, it was very difficult, but then it came along. मतलब कुछ भी question आता था, the thoughts used to gather and मुझे लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती that these points I have to cover. I just start studying.
Right.
मुझे पता चल गया था flow क्या होता है, कैसे करना होता है, तो it became easy by the end.
Right. तो आपने descriptive writing के लिए did you join any course, or you took help from your friend? How did you do?
मैम एक्चुअली टेलीग्राम चैनल्स में स्टार्टिंग में टेलीग्राम चैनल्स में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं जो क्वेश्चंस पुट करते हैं. So I used to write those questions and get it checked from my friend. We both were preparing together. So
Okay.
I used to check her questions and she used to check my questions. So this way हम लोगों के पास जैसे 2 questions I have written, 2 questions he has written. So हमारे पास एक्चुअली डेटा है 4 questions का. And she used to check mine. So चेकिंग भी हो जाती थी और वी यूज्ड टू गिव सजेशंस आल्सो। सो इस तरीके से आई प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर माय डिस्क्रिप्टिव।
ऑल राइट। एंड फॉर एफएम इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कि एफएम में थियोरेटिकल काफी आता है, तो उसके लिए एनी स्पेसिफिक सोर्स डिड यू रेफर और यू रिलाइड ऑन इंटरनेट लाइक रैंडम वेबसाइट्स, व्हाट हाउ डिड यू डू?
नो मैम, रैंडम इफ आई है यू मतलब हैड टाइम तो मैं करता, बट मेरे पास जॉब के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था, तो आई जस्ट took EduTab's phase 2 course.
ओके
So I,
सो ओके सो यू प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम देयर। सो वहां पे वी प्रोवाइड विद डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग इवैल्यूएशन आल्सो, सो डिड यू ट्राई दैट या आप पे वो
yes
लिमिटेड
ma'am.
टाइम की वजह से?
No, no. After the phase 1 result, I use that also. तो
ओके ओके
डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग मैंने वहाँ से भी लास्ट में टू थ्री मॉक्स आई गेव। आई कुड नॉट अटेम्प्ट फुल मॉक्स, सो टू थ्री मॉक्स आई गेव।
yeah, जो mini mocks of descriptive writing that we provide.
Yes ma'am,
And
yes
this I
ma'am.
say to
Full
my
mocks also.
students. Yeah, this I say to my students also. Like if you initially, if you just start off just giving with the like for evaluation, you might get very basic reply कि आपका स्ट्रक्चरिंग अच्छा नहीं है, वर्ड लिमिट पूरा
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ
हो रहा है। सो द थिंग दैट यू फॉलोड कि इनिशियली जैसे आपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ करके थोड़ा बहुत देख लिया इवैल्यूएशन, तो उससे बेसिक्स एटलीस्ट यू बेसिक्स वर्क क्लियर कि अच्छा मुझे ऐसा लिखना चाहिए अबाउट द सजेशन एंड एवरीथिंग। And once you felt like, okay, you are writing a decent answer, if after that you are giving such mock tests, then you would have that valuable feedback that, okay, these are the improvements that can be done and that can help you in the examination. All right. So for finance management, if I say just आपने descriptive को prepare करा, but in examination, did you have somewhere back in your mind कि मुझे objective में ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है to score more and more, या आपने equally आपने descriptive and objective को आपने target किया?
एक्चुअली आई टारगेटेड इक्वली। और ईएसआई में ऑब्जेक्टिव ज़्यादा
Hmm.
डिफिकल्ट होता है, तो आई जस्ट गॉट गो वेंट थ्रू द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स एंड ईएसआई स्टैटिक ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं रहता, एंड रिपोर्ट्स, दीज टू थिंग्स आई वेंट थ्रू फॉर ईएसआई। एंड फॉर एफएम ऑब्जेक्टिव इट इज़ वेरी बेसिक। आप स्टैटिक पढ़ते हो तो उसी में से ही मोस्टली इट कवर्स ऑल द ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ एफएम।
Right. And did you follow the word limit? Like, did you stick to the word
यस,
limit, or do you feel like कि से plus minus में इतना is also sufficient?
एक्चुअली मैं वर्ड लिमिट्स के ओवर ही जा रहा था, बट
Okay.
इस बार इट वाज, आई थिंक दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम कि उन्होंने बार लगा दिया था कि इफ यू कैन नॉट गो अबव 600, सो
Okay.
आई देन हैव टू कट शॉर्ट माय आंसर इन बिटवीन एंड देन
तो
somehow
इतना टाइम
finish.
आपको मिल गया एग्जाम में? Like,
Actually, my typing speed is very good, so because uh,
from your current
from my
job.
childhood also I was
Okay.
my father has a computer shop, so मैं टाइपिंग करता रहता था, तो उसकी वजह से
Okay, okay. So that somehow it benefited you.
हाँ
That
benefited
you
me.
could even cut short your answer in between.
Yes ma'am.
Acha. So you stick to the word limit. Acha. And for ESI, like then again you followed for Abhijit sir's video, or then there were, because it was phase 2, so then you changed the strategy a little bit.
I changed the strategy. उसमें पीआईबी न्यूज़ मैंने अच्छे से कवर की फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब चैनल, एंड उसके साथ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स दैट आई हैव कवर्ड।
Alright. So reports के लिए you refer to official websites, or you again you relied on YouTube's highlights and summaries?
नो मैम, रिपोर्ट्स टैप आई हैव रेड एंड स्कीम्स टैप आई हैव रेड,
अच्छा, तो आप
एंड
ओके,
देन
तो आपने
रिवाइज फ्रॉम द वीडियोज।
fully magazines you covered, and then afterwards from YouTube videos you has to have a quick revision for that.
यस मैम, यस मैम।
All right. So, but if you talk about ESI, like even if you're preparing for descriptive writing, but it's very random because it's economic and social issues, and that to current based काफी आता है. So when you were preparing, did you had some topics prepared कि अच्छा ये topic तो I have to do properly, or you just read and kept on revising the content?
No, ma'am, what I have decided, like when I was reading the current affairs for phase one and the PIB news, I used to collect the data for specific purpose. Like poverty के लिए मैंने एक डेटा उसके नीचे बुलेट्स में एक फाइल में मैंने सेव कर लिया था। पॉवर्टी से रिलेटेड जो भी डेटा है, फैक्ट्स हैं, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट से रिलेटेड जो भी डेटा फैक्ट्स हैं, that I have collected in a different file. So
Okay.
what I thought was, if any question come related to women, and if any question come related to poverty, I will use this data anyhow. मैं ये डेटा यूज करूंगा ही, और मैटर कुछ भी होता रहेगा, पर डेटा ये इंक्लूड, आई विल इंक्लूड this
kahin
data.
na kahin.
So
Right.
yes.
And that's very important because again, this I say to my all the students ki definition everybody knows. So everybody will be writing the definition, but it depends how many examples, data, facts you add to it. So you had some important data that are there and you have decided, okay, इससे related कुछ भी आएगा, कहीं ना कहीं I have to involve this. And it's definitely, it's a very good strategy for the aspirants to follow. इसी के साथ I want to add one thing when we are talking about data, and this includes even the content for phase 1 and phase 2. there's a lot of data to memorize. मतलब कि काफी
Hmm.
ज्यादा है, रिपोर्ट्स का अलग है, स्कीम्स का अलग है, जेनेरिक इंफॉर्मेशन का अलग है. हाउ डिड यू crammed that data and how difficult was it to cramp up that data?
कुछ डेटा तो याद हो जाते हैं बट यू हैव टू कनेक्ट दिस डेटा विद समथिंग, उसके बाद ही याद होगा.
Yeah.
So I connect with age, with my number, with my father's age. ऐसे मैं कनेक्ट करता था. This data is related to
Right.
this and this is related to women and उससे रिलेट मैं ऐसा रिलेट करना पड़ता है तभी याद होगा.
राइट, थोड़े ट्रिक्स अपनाने पड़ते
हम्म.
हैं. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल इफ ऐसे जैसे फॉरकास्ट आता है, जीडीपी फॉरकास्ट आता है, आईएमएफ अलग दे देती है, ठीक है, फिर वर्ल्ड बैंक अलग दे देता है, फिर कोई
हम्म.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ अलग दे देती है. यहाँ पे आपको क्या, आपने कोई स्पेसिफिक आपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चूज कर ली कि मैं सिर्फ इनका डेटा याद करूंगा, या इसके लिए भी आपने कोई ट्रिक्स आपने अपनाई? इफ यू कुड शेयर विद द
हाँ,
एस्पिरेंट्स.
लाइक 5-6 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैंने उनका ही याद किया था. उससे ज़्यादा मैंने सोचा अगर ये आएगा तो ठीक है, मैं करूँगा ही नहीं, छोड़ दूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. बट हाँ, वर्ल्ड बैंक यूजुअली कम कम फोरकास्ट देती है. और सो और आईएमएफ वगैरह थोड़ा सा, ओईसीडी, आईएमएफ, दीज आर समथिंग सिमिलर, मतलब उनके थोड़ा आसपास ही रहते हैं. तो
ओके.
सो आई जस्ट यूज टू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, लाइक दिस इज आईएमएफ एंड दिस इज फॉर वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड दिस इज फॉर ओईसीडी. दैट्स हाउ आई.
राइट. राइट, अगेन टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दैट यू हैव टू मेक फॉर योरसेल्फ. आपने जैसे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, फिर आपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में याद कर ली, एंड दैट हेल्प्ड यू ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन. ऑलराइट. एंड फॉर डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश इफ आई हैव टू से, लाइक is the syllabus of ESI and like FM, is it sufficient if somebody is preparing for descriptive English? या फिर जो essays आते हैं, मतलब वो काफी random basis में कैसे हो सकते हैं?
मैम, सफिशिएंट तो ये डेटा है बट ऐसे में लिखने का तरीका बस अलग है. यू हैव टू पुट इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे. और सिलेबस तो सिमिलर ही है, मोस्टली ईएसआई के टॉपिक्स ही आते हैं इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव में भी. बस लिखने का तरीका, यहाँ पे बुलेट पॉइंट्स यूज नहीं कर सकते आप. सो मतलब थोड़ा सा ही डिफरेंस है, बस डेटा तो वही
स्ट्रक्चरिंग
यूज
का
हो जाएगा.
डिफरेंस है. राइट,
स्ट्रक्चरिंग,
स्ट्रक्चरिंग का
यस.
डिफरेंस है, बट कंटेंट है वो सिमिलर, आपका जो है वो वहीं पे सूट हो जाएगा. ऑल राइट. सो आफ्टर फेज 2, लाइक वर यू सर्टेन और कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इंटरव्यू, या फिर जब रियल टाइम व्हेन यू लुक दैट एंड यू फेस्ड फेज 2, यू फेल्ट लाइक दैट मे बी इट्स लाइक 50-50 चांसेस दैट इट वुड गो?
नो मैम, फेज 2 के बाद तो आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आई विल क्लियर इट.
ओके.
बट बट स्टिल आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू बिकॉज फीस, बहुत सारे बच्चे, इतने ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हैं साथ में दे रहे हैं, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
No, that
तो
I think that every aspirant have that doubt ना कि बाकी क्या पता बाकियों का ज्यादा अच्छा हो. It's not like that
हम्म.
you were not intelligent. You cleared phase 1. I think anybody who's clearing RBI grade B phase 1, it's like they are quite
यस.
intelligent. I would say that.
यस
So
मैम.
okay, so for phase 2, okay, so then you had your job, so then you got busy with it, and then you waited for the interview. I mean phase 2 result, and then like when it came, then what was the next plan? First of all, just please tell how many days did you get for phase 2 for the interview preparation?
मैम, my interview was on 18th of November, so I got a lot of time
Right,
from
around
September end to I got almost 2 months.
yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now what was the next plan to prepare for interview?
Ma'am, one thing I did not do in my preparation was I did not read the newspaper, which is मतलब वो बहुत important है. आप डिस्क्रिप्टिव में भी आपको यूज हो जाएगा और यू कैन यूज डेटा ऑल्सो विच यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर. बट वो मैंने नहीं किया था. सो आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर. आई यूज टू रीड 4 to 5 न्यूज़पेपर डेली.
And how did you like do that? Because 4 to 5 is a lot, and we are saying along with the job. Like how did you do, or would you recommend some of the न्यूज़पेपर लाइक यू वर रीडिंग 4 to 5, अगर जैसे किसी को नॉर्मल डेली रूटीन में पढ़ना है, कैन यू सजेस्ट लाइक 1 or 2 विच वन विच यू फेल्ट लाइक अमंग द 4 5 दैट दीज आर द बेस्ट वन इफ यू somebody is going for like regular reading?
And Mint is very good and it is very interesting also. So Mint was my favorite. उसके बाद बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड एंड इंडियन एक्सप्रेस आई यूज्ड टू रीड दोस. मिंट तो मैं पढ़ता ही पढ़ता था, उसके साथ बाकी भी मैं, इफ आई यूज्ड टू गेट टाइम, बिकॉज जॉब के बाद मैं कुछ और नहीं करता था एक्सेप्ट फॉर स्टडीज. फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो आई फॉलोड द सेम रूटीन फॉर 1 year. मैंने जॉब के बाद ना, नॉट इवन आई यूज्ड टू वॉच एनी सीरीज और मूवी. आई when I was eating also, I was watching the video for my studies only.
But isn't
From
it frustrating that you have a job, you already have a government job, and after that also you're not enjoying life? You know, maybe that's definitely because you want something higher. But still, sometimes isn't it frustrating that why am I doing so? I have a job, I have now everything, but still I'm not enjoying the life, the content that I deserve. Like, didn't you ever have that thought?
Yes, for some time, but then I thought that I have to do something bigger.
Yeah.
उसके बाद enjoy कर लूँगा. Yeah, and secondly, this preparation, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था ये सब पढ़ने में. Like I used to think that when I will get selected, उसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगा? उसके बाद तो मेरे पास पढ़ने के लिए कुछ होगा ही नहीं. But then I
कुछ हो
thought
गए.
that ठीक है, उसके बाद भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करेंगे पढ़ने के लिए.
Hmm.
So I used to enjoy this. मुझे ऐसा कुछ burden नहीं लगता था, ना ही मैं थकता था, या I used to enjoy it.
Right, that's very beautiful. Enjoying the journey as well, that's very important. And that somehow it helps you with the preparation. अगर आप frustrated mind से कुछ चीज पढ़ेंगे, you would not like it, so your mind will not like it will not
हाँ.
retain that information. But if enjoying the process, and that is why it's very very important to first list down the examination which you would want to give by properly looking at it, और institute के बारे में भी समझने के लिए. If you have desire to be there, if you have desire to learn the things that they have asked in the entrance, you would love the process and it will give you better results than the ones who are just continuously the just with frustrated mind they are just studying about it. That's very beautiful thing. I really liked about your journey. Okay,
Yeah,
so yeah.
one thing I want to say that people give 70 to 80% efforts. Everybody give efforts for a job or for a exam. 70 to 80% effort देते हैं. But वो efforts वो 3 years, 4 years तक देते रहते हैं.
True.
उससे अच्छा I always suggest my friends or that 100% effort दीजिए. एक साल के लिए दीजिए 100%. You don't have to do anything else. 100% give it for a year. 70-80% दे के आप 3 साल तक सेम प्रिपरेशन करते रहते हैं, तो वो ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. ना ही आप इंजॉय कर पाते हैं अपनी जर्नी, ना ही फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर पाते हैं, ना ही आप सही से पढ़ाई कर पाते हैं.
True, true. It's better to have limited time करो, 100% दे दो. It's
100
instead of giving your 50, 60, 70 for n number of years. And then finally, because if you have to clear examination, 100% तो देना ही होगा. So
देना ही
तीन
पड़ेगा.
साल बाद समझ के 100% देने से अच्छा if you start with your initial time only, तो आपको ज़्यादा long term में वो आपको beneficial होगा. All right. So then like you started reading newspapers, and did you follow RBI's website as well? Or everything was already covered in the newspaper only?
तो मैम न्यूज़पेपर में ही मेरा एक्चुअली टाइम बहुत चला जाता था.
Hmm.
सो फॉर आरबीआई वेबसाइट उससे उसका सब्स्टिट्यूट मैंने, आरबीआई का यूट्यूब चैनल है.
Okay.
सो जो स्पीचेस हम वेबसाइट से खुद पढ़ेंगे वो मैं आई यूज्ड टू प्ले, एंड मैं कुकिंग करता रहता था साथ में,
Hmm.
तो मैं वीडियोस देख लेता था
तो
आरबीआई की.
जोन आप जोन आउट नहीं होते थे?
नो मैम, स्टार्टिंग में होता था, बट फिर धीरे धीरे इतनी
आदत.
प्रैक्टिस हो गई दैट मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, मेरा ध्यान बस वीडियो पे ही है. बट
Hmm.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से मैं दूसरा काम करता रहता
Right, right. And did you give any mock interviews also?
हूँ. यस मैम, आई गिव मॉक इंटरव्यूज, 3 mock interviews एक्चुअली.
Okay, so three you gave. So, do you feel like such mock interviews are relevant or are similar to the main interviews, or there is, similarity differences? Like, what your experience say about it?
मैम सिमिलैरिटी का तो आई कांट से, बट बिकॉज सबका बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. बट कॉन्फिडेंस आपका और प्रैक्टिस आपकी हो जाती है.
Hmm.
बिकॉज फर्स्ट वन वॉज वेरी बैड. मैंने उसको दोबारा से देखना भी प्रेफर नहीं किया. आई डिड नॉट इवन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस खराब हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
तो फर्स्ट वन वॉज वेरी बैड. बट उसके बाद जो सेकंड थर्ड वन वॉज वेरी, मतलब मेरा बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू गया था वो. जो थर्ड मॉक गया था, सो दैट बूस्टेड माई कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो. तो इट इज वेरी
और ऐसा
इंपॉर्टेंट.
ऐसा भी हुआ होगा मे बी कि आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस ना आए हो, देन यू सर्च्ड
Hmm.
अबाउट इट
Yes,
आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ऑलराइट.
there were many
एंड
questions.
and like how was your main interview then? How did it go? Or what sort of questions are asked in RBI interview, or what were asked to you?
मेरा तो बहुत ही डिफरेंट था मेन इंटरव्यू, बिकॉज आई इट इज़ वेरी ड्रामेटिक. और तो क्योंकि आई वॉज नॉट नर्वस. फर्स्टली, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज नॉट नर्वस. आई प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ इन दैट वे दैट नर्वस होने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
Hmm.
आइदर या तो मुझे जॉब मिल जाएगी, या फिर मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर से इसको इस एक्सपीरियंस को यूज़ करके नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर से आ जाऊंगा. तो मैं नर्वस नहीं था, बट व्हेन आई एंटर्ड दे जस्ट रेड माई प्रोफाइल, बिकॉज मैंने 2016 में ग्रेजुएशन कर ली थी. उसके बाद 6 years मैंने आई वर्कड इन अ प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So they were just reading it, and then out of the blue, they just started with the GDP. So when chairman sir asked about the GDP, I told him. Then he said, "Let's say it's 7.2. तो उसको डबल करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?" 7.2%, which is current GDP is 4 trillion. I told them. तो इस 4 को 8 करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? I use that. There is a method like 72 rule. So I told them that with the help of 72 rule, it will take 10 years to double it. So then they said, "No, what is the formula of compound interest? It can also be done with it." Then I said them that I don't use compound interest formula, because during my preparation I went through a short trick with ratio method, which I can calculate the compound interest. Because एग्जाम्स में तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ,
तो
और
आई
शॉर्ट
जस्ट
ट्रिक.
टोल्ड देम, आई टोल्ड देम दैट आई यूज शॉर्ट ट्रिक विद रेशियो मेथड. तो वो थोड़ा सा ऑफेंड हो गए, एंड दे सेड कि ठीक है, हमें भी सिखाओ, लगता है हमें दोबारा से स्कूल में जाना पड़ेगा. वन पेन वेरी एंग्रीली ही सेड दैट लगता है हमें दोबारा से स्कूल में जाना पड़ेगा. तो आई 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 सेड दैट सर वो बहुत सिंपल है. तो दे जस्ट आस्क कि मुझे करके दिखाओ. तो मैंने कहा सर पेन पेपर चाहिए होगा उसके लिए. तो दे जस्ट गेव मी द डायरी एंड द पेंसिल. तो मैंने उनको एक्सप्लेन किया रेशो से, एंड देन आई वेंट टू शो देम. चेयरमैन सर वाज सेटिस्फाइड विद माय वे, बट other sir was I think offended or something, so he just
तो जब
told.
when he was offended, so didn't you have that heart sink? Didn't your heart sink कि यार ये तो शुरू में ही
Heart-sink
गलत हो
moment
गया?
is heart-sink moment is coming. So he just tore the paper
Oh.
and gave me angrily that इसको घर पे लेके जा और ये इधर रख दे.
Hmm.
And then I was just for a few seconds I was just numb. But then I thought that ठीक है, he's just testing me और कुछ नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. But then I sat and उसके बाद सारा इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया. मैंने टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस के सारे आंसर्स अच्छे दिए. बट
Hmm.
हाँ, दैट वाज वेरी. आई स्टिल हैव दैट पेपर विद मी, जो उन्होंने फाड़ के दिया था मुझे. आई विल
Right.
फ्रेम इट.
अभी तो आप you can frame it as well. All right. So technical means they asked more about the RBI's organization and related to like economy, all sort of questions.
यस मैम. Like
And
blue economy, they have asked. They have
hmm.
asked about the capital report, and about my work also. They asked about KCC and all. I answered all those
Okay.
questions.
Okay, so everything related to your work as well as RBI's and related questions they asked. All right. So after the interview, like you must have been very scared, like कि अब तो होता ही नहीं है, I should waste for next year. Or
बहुत
did
ज़्यादा.
you had some hope that maybe because rest of the things it went well?
आई वॉज स्कैर्ड बिकॉज जो टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मैंने अच्छे दिए, वो चेयरमैन सर एंड द अदर सर was not even listening. They were just talking
Oh,
loudly,
okay. Okay.
and I was just talking to the other panel member. They were just talking between themselves, and that too very loudly.
Okay.
But I did not stop because I thought that they were distracting me. So
Hmm.
I just went along.
Yeah. So this is the very first time I've heard of this experience. Like it's very different,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
actually it's very underwhelming at that moment if you think of it. As an aspirant, you everybody is like doing like such, and still you are trying to prove yourself why you deserve to be there. Okay, so after the interview, okay, so I can understand what were the things that were going on. So it's good that you did not have to wait that much in comparison to other aspirant, but
Yes.
still there was around a month that you had, around 15-20 days that you had, I think, right? So what were the things that were going on in those 20 days? Like, were you just recalculating everything, or were you then starting off कि यार अब next year ऐसे prepare करना है, ये करना है? How was the thing that went after that?
उसके बाद बस यही सोचा दैट व्हाट एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू से कि आपको सिंपली नो कर देना दैट आई डोंट नो दिस। आपको अपना अ, ऐसे नहीं बोलना दैट आई डोंट यूज दिस, आई यूज दिस, दे माइट गेट ऑफेंडेड व्हिच आई थॉट, बट फाइनली इट हैपेंड। सो
Yeah.
क्या
So okay, so when the result came, like where were you, and what was the reaction? Like, how was it? We want to know everything about it.
दैट माइट बी द weakest or best day of my life because for the first time I cried that much
Okay.
and my hands were shivering। मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि मेरे हाथ शिवर कर रहे हैं
Mm.
और मैं आई वाज क्राइंग, मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था। आई मतलब आई कुडंट सी माय रोल नंबर फॉर द सेकंड टाइम। देन आई वेंट टू माय फ्रेंड
Mm.
एंड उसको बुलाया। मैंने कहा आई आई टोल्ड हिम दैट भाई तू देख के बता इफ दिस इज माय रोल नंबर और नॉट, क्योंकि
Yeah.
मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा बिकॉज आई वाज क्राइंग वेरी हार्ड।
Yeah, all right. Then you must have told your family and
यस
everybody,
मैम।
like, all right. So after that, okay, so that was a very interesting journey of you, and especially of the interview part. That's the very first time I've taken interviews. I'm taking interviews for past 3 years, but this is the very first time I've heard about a very different interview experience, and that too, like, you cleared. So you, when you got the marks, so did they give you marks in interview, or were they less only, and you scored more in the second phase?
Not more because I'm from EWS, so
Okay, okay.
they just have to accommodate me in the EWS category itself. So I believe my marks would be more if I would be from general.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right. Okay. So that was a very interesting journey, and I'm sure it will help a lot of aspirants about the sources that you referred, the new sources that you referred, and what can be what experience the aspirant might have in the interview. And it's very it feels very good to see that you overcame everything and now you have become an RBI Grade B officer. So, sir, at the end, we would like you to say something to the aspirants who are dreaming to achieve the same dream that you have achieved.
Only one thing that जो मैंने पहले बताया that you have to put your 100% effort.
Yeah.
And secondly, if you want to get into it तो उसके अलावा कुछ और दिमाग में नहीं होना चाहिए। You have to totally disciplined to it. डिसिप्लिन के साथ मैंने आई हैव नॉट वेस्टेड इवन अ सिंगल डे इन मतलब लास्ट 1 साल में मैंने एक भी दिन मैंने वेस्ट नहीं किया। व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल टू गिव एग्जाम्स आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्टडी वॉच वीडियोस इन बसेस इन ट्रेन्स। मैं एक भी सेकंड वेस्ट नहीं करता था। व्हेन आई कम फ्रॉम ऑफिस आई जस्ट गेट माय ईयरफोन ऑन और मैं कपड़े चेंज भी करता था तो भी मैं वीडियोस देख सुनते सुनते ही करता था साथ में।
Okay.
मैं सो यू जस्ट हैव टू डिसिप्लिन एंड करना है तो करना है।
Yeah.
इसके अलावा कोई और दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं होना चाहिए, ना ही कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन होना चाहिए।
True. That's very important, which sir has said. कि अगर करना है तो करना है. If you have keep on having alternatives, if you have keep on excuses, that is going to run for years. And it's better to not be distracted, be disciplined just for a year and just clear it and then just be done with it.
हुँ,
That's then that and after that, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Right. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us with us, sharing your views. And I'm really sure, definitely sure, it is going to help a lot of aspirants. And we wish you all the very best for your future.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।